Cobbin Acosta, our Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day easy.
About this music, right? So that's bring us to 43 minutes into 3. 93.3 FM, Akwaaba Drive, folks. Akwaaba. Obi, I want to say, it will be Akwaaba the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. This is the best drive time, and of course, my name is Jenny Champion Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money, call me Cobbin Acosta, and I sit in for man like Promotional Africas. Right, so we're riding you from now to 6 p.m. Trust me, it's gonna be a wonderful drive here. Yeah, no accident, no scratch, nothing, no overspeeding, no overtaking. We're taking you to your destination slowly. I tell you, we're actually gonna read. Big shout out to my man DJ Shabo. Now to find him on Facebook, folks. Send me a message on 0594-841-044 on WhatsApp and also normal SMS. And on Facebook, Ahenkan 3.3 FM. And also my page, Cobbin Acosta. Just do justice. Send in your messages. And I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention live on the radio. Trust me. It is the drive time right here on 93.3 FM. Hey, brand new music once again from Kwame Eugene. A big shout out to Bibi Araudu of Fidiato 93.3 FM. I know it's a Friday, and I know when it's Fridays, a lot of people are very excited just because we are going on a weekend, and a lot happens on the weekend. Yeah, I know a lot happens on the weekend. So we start on the way from a Friday night like this. So as we here, we are poised to give you the best. Myself, DJ Shabo, Nana Tupahi, and the rest of the team from now to 6 p.m. Right, so we'll go on the break at exactly 4 o'clock. And when we come back, sports will come in your way. And today I'll give you the chance to give me a call. Tell me why you there, why you are. Right here on 93.3 FM. Big shouts to my general manager, Mr. Benjamin Otue Champion. Big shouts, big bro. And also big shouts to my programs managers. Both of them, they are... I know we'll talk this one. Right, so brand new music. Kwame Eugene. I'm single for now. Hey. And here's another banger. I love Kwame Eugene. Brand new banger. Someone bring the song back. But hey, let me say a very quick shout going out to my taxi drivers as usual. Though we're not doing mid-morning, we do drive, but I still have to give them some shouts. So big shouts going out to Brad David, to Apasco, Raouf, MP3, to Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Oba Tampa Jonathan, to Tilapia, Kwakubo Nash, to Piero, Brakwami Okasia, to all the boys, all the taxi drivers in town. Big shouts going out to Mr. Urban Fashion, to K&L Fashion, to Mr. Chubesi, Asadi Fonyin and Bakope, Berman Quine, Salum the Gambia, Bramaiko, your Carpenter, SDA Junction, Mahana, also SDA Junction. Gosh Time is the best beauty saloon, exclusive saloon, Patty's Golden Scissors, I said that beauty saloon, Madame Letitia, who offer Papabi, and a big shout to Quality Fashion, Old Education, a big shout to Frida's Clothing, a big shout going out to Charities Fashion, and Yaji, who are coming in Junction. Big shout to you all. Watch out with your phone message for 50594841044. This is the best drive time, and I sit in for Promotional Africa. Bring the song back again. Let's do this from Kwame Eugene. Single for now, solo for now. And tomorrow happens to be Rejoice Efiabim's birthday, so happy birthday in advance to Rejoice Efiabim. We'll definitely go places. You know why? Because this Christmas, a lot of guys will be single. Trust me. This Christmas, Bronya we boys be single because the rate at which the dollar is taking relationship to, bro, you have no idea. Because Sally, someone $100 no more, baby. Who they can crave no to me fan casa. So most definitely, this is the song we actually going to jump to this Christmas. Most of the guys will be single. Trust me, most of the guys will be single this Christmas. But I'm very happy Eugene said single for now. That means this Christmas, most definitely most of them are going to be single. But hey, somewhere January, February, March, we're actually going to get our life partners back again.
I'm single for now.
Hey, for now. Single. Hey,
I can't show you any more affection. I don't wanna give you any more attention. You don't deserve my attention.
But Charlie, this song sounds so emotional. Have you noticed? It sounds very emotional. And I said, it sounds somewhere.
From your drama.
I said, Tala, Mr. DJ Chamilala.
I'm now free from
your drama.
And you will have my casa.
Hey, for now, single. For now, I'm single. For now. Shall we bring the song back? I'm single. For now, single. For now, solo. I want Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Your friend me coming a costume. And I mean, we say most of the guys, and I'm the kind, not only the guys, but a man also be na single. And then I make her lady we say. You know one thing. In as much as a member be na a man with axe, this is how it is. Sorry to use the word, but though, is it the facts? Your member be in as much as they love that curvy shape. We can't say they as we also love women with brains. I'm sorry. Yeah, my baby, I'm for pan, but I drink the dream pan the oboa. And now drink a dance room, but I drink a Danny Petru at the drink. But cockra no bear. Baby. Now, in my money be so. Most of baby now we are single. Now, my singleness and always how I'm raising. What they will tell you is that money baby now some pesika. Baby now say, bro. On pesika na on pedeng. Obusa was a question on. Obey the Jano on pesika. But when him said no crab baby, woman said, Beman on bebrena and Timmy Boy Jumae. Most of them are single because woman to me Boy Juma. Fat. Most of them, Meman on bebrena. Woman are single because Sabio on Paswa Grodino and Yankono and Yafe and Yan Cranche. Or Babian Suni Honoma. Or be invested in time. Nah, or the na come near door, now for you. Utimi bon, Debbie. I just say, bon, say, Miss, and Tonton, Debbie. I just saw your bear my saving now with me. I'm a patch of my Philabi. Yeah, bet to me, I'll be avoid this singleness. Hey, Ario, Unima, Busa. I have Busa, if you haven't why. Who is crying single here in this house? Now me find an example. Shabo, put your hand down. Put your hand out. Why cry? Yeah, why cry on Kwanda? Because if you had yeah. At the point ya boo. Okoto so that matter like this Okoto the numero kwa. Papa Choba Juma. The American Cosini answer Bema there was all to be boy Juma. NTTA is shot here about center. It's shot here about something. Me patch up with the new best man capsules. I bet you so the new best man capsules. And you drew a boy mema sabi. What must see my mema sabi you want to me? Member Juma ye bema sabi. Only about what and come on hunkwa. And now what did he? Mufie kraman or your calaban on to me po. Massa, but Juna Jan come on huno. The member the new best man capsules. A Bajuma ban, early discharge, low sperm counts, erectile dysfunction, severe waist pain, burning sensation, gonorrhea, STDs in Adiagina. A 287 song said the new best man capsules on a natural aphrodisiac, purely herbal with no side effects. Mount San Kebi. Adapaya, Now baby I should be a patcho we Mount Sankan the new best my capsules or Concran can't swallow helba. Rick Jones Elba and I watch a Tinatech at Chamadan or Chiniba drugstore. I'll be a more folk at the drugstore coffee school and not you may see always drugstore. Or Honina Obena is charge helba Santa Fundro the men the new best man capsules. I beg your pardon, friend 0244 966 043 and 0208 288 099. The new best man capsules. A Beju Mermajedi. Ube Sampa. Wabba Juma. When him said 9 cents, or baby, I'll rabbi madam in fats. Now, what the kind yarn said. Oh, now, Mama fella, what the can't sniff it. Oh, yeah. Or just a sentinel, what them want. Eh, come on, and you come on. Me patrol 1,000. Eh, yeah, maybe never drew watching us here, but my ding, not a 1,000 or so. Now, madam on your him. And me call be them. Bim body, I say, nah, ya quachi to be me father. And I'm here coming, I'm soon about come and corner them one call Yaman. You rat quite them whopper. You're rather young coupon. Me patron. I am me busami Jose. And to shut down in Mona Sabio. With W. In fact, Hana would jaw nanny idea. And then now sometimes you take it time out. You wash your water closet very well. You wash your sink everywhere. Nah, sentinel so by come upon. Me patron here J.A. wine in row. Tieni pa. So press wash it. I was sinking him. Opasa bibia ye neat. Opasa just a sense of what do ye. A bit mint na yeah. Or what ya. Nia here a bang stain remover. Bang stain remover. Me patrotien. It takes off stubborn stains from all surface, including sinks, washing basins, terrazzo, floors, wall tiles, and water closets. Me patrot for be wash washroom wall. Bang stain remover. A free air J.A. Bunny and Co. Limited. Mount Shankabi. A boy rough. You will buy liquid soap and so. It has a rich fragrance and it's used for washing floors, utensils, near the patch of kitchen hall. We here buying liquid soap. For who chance in the moon. Jaisa Yanum the Ili and Yam. What the Huma Uzampa. Yeah. They be partner that who room. A patch of the wow beam. Buying liquid soap. Buying liquid soap. And on Kwana Betty Miabow. J.A. Bunny Dream Huntino. What the buying Akasha and Swaba. The patch of Tarazono. For Akasha ni Bikisu. A Galia be and wire saying buying Akasha. Me patch of Tribinia dia. Send your bell one or Wabe Uzampa. Aboa rough. You was snake repellent and so. No, the patrol especially prepared for snakes and other dangerous reptiles, and also drive away snakes and kills them on contact. At the baby will feature the hole or water tower. I will feel or kitchen hotel who's and one and Wabino or Monabere from 1,000 legs. For people, petty or mood to me, Mabium. Me patrol, so pay buying products Nibiata. Fred Akim Oda, Womama down on I was 0242 771650 and 0247 5766643 0242 771650 and 024 75766643. J.A. Barney and Co. Limited or some manufacturers of liquid soap and disinfectants. Wow. Right, I want to go for a quick commercial break, but before time help mixture. Me patrol you treat malaria fever, loss of appetite, and for general body pains. So I put the wapos yeah. We no man to many the malaria fever. Ya check what to form there. Wardrobe a time help mixture. Time no kai say time. Yeah, what time help mixture. So it supports the immune system, prevents you from feeling tired and all the good and cold and thin. Me patrol wardrobe a time help mixture. Mount Sankabi about my immune system when I'm warding papa a supportive. 0244 417696. I beg your pardon. 0244 417669. 0244 417669. Kai time near TIME. Hey, Yakosku Miss Pelly Bichache. The Justice Roofing System. The Justice Roofing System manufactures of all type of roofing sheets. Your colors one be wo home patch open chance dine papa and chance dine because everlasting. And chance never chepe patch will qua and about 20 years warranty, a 100% high quality, and the channel so open chance dine papa and the above dine so if I do projects now yellow open chance dine papa their boss with ya. And no one say overcall the Justice Roofing System. And I will quality long-term duration roofing sheets. I come upon Michelle Opebia Toya came on the opposite Hector Primary School. I came on the opposite Hector Primary School. Frame was 0244 440362 0244 440362 and 0264 187012 0302 947796. The Justice Roofing System. Let me go for a quick commercial break here at Kim State University College in Bra. At exactly 4:45, sports will come in your way today. I will want to talk to you. So stay tuned. 93.3 FM. Once again, happy birthday in advance to Rejoice if you are being.
Hola la! Edition for Mukita SSC, WASI, HND, and mature student na Yadia Sandanamo.
Akim State University College. Abie na apno ato. Opese, we are topper within 2 years. And now say mature student 25 years and above. Akwenya no ababeda ho.
Akim State University College aya programs be at say business programs. Ye will BSc Accounting, BSc Marketing, afa BSc Banking and Finance, Sanso and a BSc Human Resource Management, and ya nunkwao engineering programs and so ekahubie BSc Electrical and also Electronic Engineering, afa BSc Computer Science.
Enunti admission is in progress. Ubet me a pick your forms.
NT Shaniso as Akim State University College and KNUST and Akawamotuma Abano a tuba bejiwa this year Akim State College at Sanya Wako KNUST Pepe.
So we hear China Kwanya, Yawa Akimasini or Dark Quante Poniso, and I saw the Frey 0207 163787, and now say 0242 256070. Akim State University College, discipline,
excellence, and development.
B Plaza Hotel or dining in Patamudi or BSC B Plaza Hotel. Hotel near Udawa, you feel like home. Oko Airebi, Cocoda B Prasta, Offense B Prasta, Chia, Edafo, and Quatin, and Trona, Obuase, B Plaza, Uko Yandikura, B Plaza. Your service is good, your Gilly Power War. Udawa to say yes, Hotel or Dandy or BSC B Plaza. I want Quantanum, Yanni Pentecost, I saw down and your opposite, me Acrobato, Hotel Way. Minimum 0243 118500 0243 118500 B Plaza Hotel. Buku and Sakwan Wabadaho and your sleeping tablet. B Plaza. B Plaza. Come there, enjoy yourself. You can't resist. Acrobato, I will enjoy the place. Thank you very much.
Kodimo, what Shremia de Papa, City and Sounds Company Limited. In fact, hey, Muwo Kromankasa, Akimudan Nimpatemudie, so be a city day and I will be sit diner, and one is ordered on Wababomo, Mo and a ban original dosa, Moton Papa Nankasa, say a German doors, Italian doors. Masuye penye ba, yenya wooden doors, afe metal doors, and afe glass doors. Namo sliding door no, edemu sronko kra. Wopini door handle asaya. Papa pan wo masuye Banseti and Sons Company Limited. Mupi opino edemu sronko kra. Afe TNJ normal ones nina. Ubenye biato ya shweye Banseti and Sons Company Limited pe. Ena motonton tiles awudro nina. Say Italian tiles, Twyford tiles, any good wall tiles. Tiles that say polish, and unpolished. Yes, so at home, town cementa. You bet me the out to your tiles in swing your home use mattress and swap dasso, say a queen size, and now size in Bia Openo. Your money boss with the famous say ya. Shim, Wuben Wing, our Kimida, a babu quantum ponoso, rice and Danjan 1 year war, Frey 0244 573729 and 0241 856069. Bansechi and Sons Company Limited. Yes, Sumo Sompa.
Mohe, and Nijisam no pure Best Man capsules, and yourself Pajamunu, Ejidaso, Pampi. En Yanino, en Nutaino, a Habamano, Yasai de Biakahu, and Memoya de Papa, oh no money, Chirebain, Nabema ne Chrono. Best Man capsules, a Dru Ajamino, me catch her and can't Rubia. Me secret in say, Best Man capsules, and a man no numa say, yes, me for more. Bema Biaman in Sankabi, so Sissina Yoya, so what premature ejaculation, low sperm count, Obia Obra Sana Wajonso, prostate cancer, say syphilis, gonorrhea, testicular cancer, and now penile cancer, no, the new Best Man capsules. Ura baby a to Nubia na ye bema. Bisasa ope. The new Best Man capsules.
Akimoda, Ochiniba, Kennedy Drasto, Chumesi Drasto, LB Amwafu, always. Kede, Harry Pell Pharmacy, Martin Kumi, Accra, Kings Walk Heba, Posh Ventures, and Harrow's Heba.
It's Child Herbal Center, Amwo Suhum, Hamza Street, and Akofa Best Man capsules. Ayasa Simu Kinafu Fure Kradiapa. Say, the confidence crowd peja. Nemanwe, Obian to be in common kunu ewofi. Bema na Nijia Watonyomono, no Banu Sufili, O Padua, Fred 020-8288-099. MM, Munyameswe, Yeni, Nanebo, Kengenka.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment say dey see enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma kade ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa momanfo no won mo ya so mre kopa bie de se ekro no na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Enu ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na ba hu se yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia ba ko and Kumasi Edu, Urepash Heba, Okaishi Accra, Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA aji ejedi nkratu yatu.
Midanya miasiatia donko da min passway. Wo say ye, muka se last year me jam me be complaining say na me dan no nyuntia o jam no. This year me nya company fofora wono mo board dance to the whole country. Obi ma eno ne the Justice Roofing Systems Company Limited. Wono mo forget it. Wo board dance so Peter Ampio say nso beto, say wi abebo, say freba befa, say the etim the etim edan no so mpada. The Justice Roofing Systems Limited. Wono mo ene won chance papa wo man Ghana mu ha say. Me kan na me cheche mo akwa kosi say open chance papa dey long span roofing systems are empada it say standard sim self-lock IBR6 standard 6 and IDT and MSL in chance bia the Justice Roofing System Limited aso na obetimi anya papa 20 years warranty no dia place one mo say boom umpe we na opede upe kaya motuom dey bi da afi me say me agwawe ne beso say kai
the Justice Roofing System headquarters no e won crime sara so na ya bebie branch baako e wa kem oda ye ne Heta Primary School e na edi hwe animu nati se ebia wo bo wo dan ni so ye free estimation at the mark customers ye sign so wonua ye de be ma na de abo wo dan ni so nti se wo bo wo dan ni so ye the Justice Roofing System e na e wo se wo frɛ ye se wo akem oda ene ne mpatam ha frɛ ye 0244 44 03 62 ana se 0264 187012 ana 0302947796 the Justice Roofing System.
Sounds so na nadia na opese wodi gusu ade potoka semeka ne metal process wono mo sounds so eye ho atu Freddy Justice Roofing Systems Limited says the Justice Roofing Systems Limited, home of quality roofing systems.
adwumayɛfoɔ me ma mo ayikɔ
Yaye.
na former way
Master me wa ha.
na nanu cement a me kɔtoma mo sɛ momfa nyɛ adwuma no sɛn ɛna former uhu cement no
Oh master, wunim ade papa pa.
That's right.
Unisam cement a okofa ba ye no. Sɛ wo to tiles o, sɛ wo ba pras no, sɛ wo twa blocks o, sɛ wo to blocks o, ama ye dwuma ye mbre.
Unisem cement that's dramatic. So we a mason, we a labourer, we a foreman. Na so pesa wa dwuma ye fe ya kono na gina painting dia. That is the product. Unisem cement. Your bottom and a paper mu die.
Na so bi pe cement papa pa say ya. Ehemfa no be bi ato.
So we pe Unisem cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni mpatam ha. Obekɔ some cheese enterprise. Yawo Amantra, yani Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu. Fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865. So we amazing and now foreman. Na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewa de free. Some cheese enterprise and di aba achim dan Amantra, yani Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu.
Drive.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Just deal with it.
She gets swagger. She be sweet like banana. She dey come from Ghana. She said diva. See, she gets swagger. She be sweet like banana. She dey come from Ghana. She said diva. Sure do you knock me off my feet? Oh mama, come and tell me the way you look, they make me weak. I call me honey. Sure do you knock me off my feet? Oh mama, come and tell me the way you look, they make me weak. I call me honey. Every day and night, you dey make me feel alright. You never make me cry. You always make me smile. So they wanted to me swear. Hey, yana miwa. Waka sende de kumasuma. Namana ni senkuto. Makuma mua ya me da da da. Miyas ni mua ya me fe fe fe. Makuma mua ya me da. 'Cause your love make me go low. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. Your love make me go low. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body.
Just deal with it. Drive. Just deal with it.
Oh when me say. I feel girl fat and sexy. Mampi. This a video for girl them. Say now I'm also a turn on me thing. Mampi. Love all them if them that. The way them want me and fit out, oh God. Love all them wine and cut them free me. Somebody come here for me grab. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a video for girl. Say now I'm also a turn on me. Mampi. Lo. Everywhere we go, be a bag of fluffy girl a call me. See them have some who don't forgive me. Every day me touching what them swam me. Inna the road them stop from spray me. Them love me bad so me get them easy. Them have some man and it well squeezy. But you need to me love all them sexy. And the fluffy girl them when me say. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a video for girl them. Say now I'm also a turn on me. Mampi. Lo. That you them now no intro. I'll for girl I saw you. When you feel like a gypsy. Do all them wine and bubble make me love them big up. All of the maga girl and the fluffy girl when we say. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a video for girl. Say now I'm also a turn on me. Mampi. Hey, Ghana, London. This a for me fluffy girl them fi wine pan. Jamaica, America. Every fluffy girl got one or two in ya. Love all them if them rock. The way them want me and fit out, oh God. Love all them wine and cut them free me. Nobody come here for me grab.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so are you tasty? It's a meteor carbon acoustic. That was Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Shut up, movement family. Real party people. I feel the fat and sexy girl. Yo, we are the real money makers. 2014 and beyond.
Right, so you still tune in to 93.3 FM. And it's exactly 25 minutes just after 4. And you're still here with me. I'm taking you home. We do coffee, come on. I promise you. Earlier said, me making sure say no accidents, no overthinking, no overspeeding. Eba kone boko say ya ko pem say ye bedru. Ni obi ani gidigidi bia wo kwan so. Onkwa ho hia. Onkwa ho hia. Enti eba kone boko de ma. Okay, so 93.3 of our patrol messages though. What can wait to me the 0594 841044 0594 841044 and then you fear that Friday. We see Bojaye and yes, Bojaye. I said, Sikam Pedede. What them say first no? Assembly a besi wa Ghana bia na yenwa no Kumasi for the movie meboa the besi bia obeti Akwaaba na ka obeti Sikam Pedede part 1 and 2 abedem akrobot no wanye sikai akrobot na wanye sika na afa wan hwe busuafo yi na sika ya hia ko Sikam Pedede part 1 and 2 lewen wako krokesema ko bobra wonye sika bebre wan hwe busua sika na frini sem Sikam Pedede part 1 and 2 ana meboa na su kumewu na ewi kumewu wawu enya sanka your screen no anka ye bete epe bi ato akokare mode adventures edum Kumasi ana fra 0245204895
Sika Dede Sika Mpe Dede.
Oh my days Sikampe dede. Afe wati ase nenti a wokọ banka. Yes, I have our phone to silence, and I say bank hall, Hankasa Yanya call. After what you say, there be our corner securities, no training Ghana commercial bank. There's this one security man there. Someone who make hey, that guy, Saga, someone promoting, some money could more World Bank. No, the guy is very serious. The guy at Ghana commercial bank or damn branch. That guy, hey. Mr. Ghana commercial bank or down branch in Podi. Guy, no move promoting the drew what bank Podi would do it. Put the drew Bank of Ghana. Oh, Biaso by a show. Muslim one test message. Now for the boss who me patro high in your call. Hi, I said the Fuka Seka Gravino or Ghana commercial bank or the Bayamida. Missy, when you test message keke now phone yakman ting ting ting. Boss who me patcho a high in your call. The way the guy is serious with his job, Move promoting the Drew Bank of Ghana, move. Sikam pedede. Eti ma hu na nti a wokọ bank ayase ma enya call. Wokọ bank ayase. File phone to silence. It means etre saden.
Sika empe dede.
Mrs. Awoko Bank near Simania Qua, a tressa dang.
Sika empe dede.
There we mean, mostly a tressa dang.
Sika empe dede.
His Excellency President Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado me pacho was a dang.
Sika empe dede.
Mate. Sika empe dede. Now, Mammy was out somewhere. Ya kwa sorry them asaya ya too often. Na sorry them na. Wombo Yesu was say yeah. As a sister sika try and chow na hodi anka ho. Asafo say dem munya no free. Asafo say yeah dem munya no free. Hwe sika pedede wa sorry them. Sika pedede wa sorry them. Ati o ma sorry a mommo Yesu wo say yeah okatechie Yesu ribo okatechie yeah and that what the Yesu pedede ana
sika empe dede.
Ati se sika pedede wo bank ho dia asori de asofo fo ne se dabi ya ha dia sika pedede hwe me se me pedede pa me pedede. Sikam pedede say, what are you talking about? Mantin ye o sikanya day.
Sika empe dede.
Sikam pedede. But me wo futu obi the man kofo obi. Me pacho muntie ni ye pa. E futu a me wo the man say, fiase to bro nyanyo magu ho. Fiasia to bro nyanyo magu ho. See me, I'm a prophet. I knew one day. Or now driver for my tool or so I sat down. I was like, nah, if I don't live what that. And I was saying that I need to live what that. Be free 1 week, me wa. 1 week, no tool or it me can't say we actual. Me pacho fiasia. Go and buy your Christmas food, oh. Fiase koto bronya nyane gu ho. Enya sa bronya ni be root from 20th work on. You can't purchase oil. You can't purchase a tube of yam. You can't go and buy your Christmas food, oh. Yo. Me too. When tia share na wan kase me kind so. Then. Yes, me hu yanka enye. Eti besro. Bronya de de sika ba kire so mpede de ampa. Hwe.
Empe dede.
Odi aya koda market na koye chobo yi. Sika ba kire so mpede de. Me say just recently ya the 200 cities ko krom. Ye nya ebi anfo ka mba fie. Ye nya ma ben. a bag of rice 50 kg and a first nanka ye told 55 cedis no. I went and the woman says it's 90 cedis. She said, Mama, for what ye? Koto bronya nyane go. Shano anka say anka. Ghana say me I won't be surprised if I saw na Ghana Johnny Jay. One day if I saw na Ghana with Johnny Jay. Bamunya but train be okay. Ana Shabo semeboa. Oh but yan kan kura nyoma be okay very soon. Nyoma be okay ba. It will be ansi abo. Baby, I be okay. Baby, I be okay. Okay. Right, so 93.3 FM Classic Ultimates. Me pacho wapo na wapo su ginayo ya. Uhia Classic Ultimates. Kachuchu wapo na wapo su. Classic Ultimates. Shene su ye pa. Se kakaya oma remu. Classic Ultimates. Candidate se ma. Classic Ultimates. Dan dropped. Utrimu, you know, your friend say. Hoa. Utrimu nya ya hoa. Titru ni mana bebre na. Omon koye natural musi debi. Omo be ya pay me. Omo trimu nya ya dandruff me pacho. Compare classic ointment fa utri ni mu. Be ya kama pa. Ekia January. Pimples agina ni mu nya afa. Me pacho classic ointment fa wodi. Bibia be ya okay dia ma. Pompo for classic ointment for pino. Mesro, or Pebito, our more for drugstore, or Chiniba drugstore, Candy drugstore, EK, Asumeni drugstore, or Old Town. Sorry, EK is Simen. I beg your pardon, EK is Simen drugstore, or Old Town. For 0544 791600 now 0500799433. Shannon so product no verified and approved by FDA. Hey. Dominion about powder. You draw papa. A draw I booster any immune system. Dominion. Me pacho ye papa mami. It does not just boost your immune system, but also it helps people with chronic disease. Na etu omo yare ase de mo me pacho wo BP, wo stroke, diabetes, and now for duro nwumra wontumi na insomnia. Yare boni me pacho pedominium about powder ibi fegu nsuom. Me sre de gu nsuo hiemu. Na wano pa ewia nwumre. E dan no obi complaining say wato dominion enche kranasa. Me pacho yase fa teaspoon. Tiedi ba teaspoon atreketo ano yanka se fa tablespoon ye de fry ye di mono ane de o de ye de be santel fa teaspoon na fa ye babo ye papa na pomuden e ma bibia ye come up me pacho available in all pharmacies, available in all chemical and also herbal shops here in the country. Over to me afre nana ya provision store watch more than ha 0265 288 181 0265 288 181. Me patro Shannon so say Dominion about powder. It's not recommended for persons below the ages of 12 years and also for nursing mothers as well. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster for your general well-being. Mr. Mount Sankabi, a clear January is up in the building. Let's come on. I didn't come on carnival. Your boy at Trunk Carnival, dear Macacho. See a dog cobble. You make it sure see him for Unchi. Maybe young free coachy. I see him for Unchi. You fracture more than it's your bad down home carnival come up. That's a punchline, baby. Right, so 38 after 4. A clear January is up in the building. Papa Nebana girlfriend, oh. What's that say? She's looking all gorgeous. She's looking sexy. Is it a Peruvian hair or Brazilian hair? Anna. Ibia. January what's it? You know what? You're fine, girl. Yeah. If not for this, like I go, you see that thing. One more Facebook gonna move here. Facebook phone going in here. So 93.3 FM. Get the wise here, Charlie. What you mean,
Me too, Kapa.
Bibi aboko there.
Oh, bad, they are down.
Why you sweet, smile? And I can't say why you sweet. Okay. Now, Rick, is it Peruvian wig or
a demon out of a man?
Me rig deal.
Oh, be a friend Mickey Minaj into so the other man be a maso.
Oh, but this is not a Mickey Minaj rig. This is not a Mickey Nicki Minaj rig. Where you crapping polo.
And then I am polo.
Where you crapping polo rig.
Polo.
Oh, but Charlie, you are looking nice in it too.
Me that say.
Send an issue, one.
Aye.
First, I found a machine. Wow. It'll be you. Catch up upon the say Christmas Eve, you'll be shaky kakra. So what do you say? A bit shaky kakra. That's the first time ever meeting you on the show, right? This is my first time, like first time. Meeting you on my show. Okay, not on my show. I'm just sitting in for fricas. But still never fun, sir. And I'll say, be sure to them Africans into be Africans, so we are never me so. Hey, but one thing I've observed on Facebook is that this man I'm follow. I just don't know why. When the time then they send friend request, no my delete. Come on, what is wrong with them? These Facebook malams.
Don't want power.
I'm on power. And to me, no mundi me better.
Oh, and young kwa. A cost of pan, young kwa.
Nice, I did be a yamoye. Who posted idea? Now, my commenting. Who posting as you. And fact, what's them no they'll be like, I'm a spiritual man from the northern region. I can help people if you want to lotto number, if you want to travel, if you want favor, if you want to look at you, look at you. You can give lotto number, you go and stake in it. That's Akwaaba.
Major so
Bibi aboko.
Oba de adaroma.
Then Yankopon say. Na kan no common on there na cost worker no.
Cost in sem bebre na na cost and necessary ma weda. Nti nensem ne die.
Oh.
And
no. See. Come on. We had a discussion on this, my boy. I think
okay.
It was on Monday.
Was that any part you drew any uni and yama baby?
Maybe he's a patrol.
Me I'm
a young boy. Come on.
But comparing me and me birthday today to some years back, but also we and baby, I was especially your friends. No more tears here. I see an abroad. We are also forcing ourselves out.
True.
Some of us are grooming to be husbands.
True.
Some of us are grooming to be wives. Bibiana first na ya. Ya be ntima bi say no ebesi. Ewo obi a we be fi bibi. Obi wo ha we fi penani buofu ana but yeni.
So when are you getting married?
Very soon.
Montro. She says very soon. Like how soon?
Very soon.
But what's what I mean, actually, some of us are going to be husbands. Yeah, sure. Like not just husbands, but responsible husbands.
Fathers as well.
Exactly, and money being so
mothers as well.
Yeah, and then I was telling one girl, I think it was just yesterday. No, cause I didn't money be pay mom what to this in America. See, you move in pay or mom what to us in at home, but you pay with Nansa.
Sure,
you get it. I mean, you just can't go to a chrome go and obiakake say because she has that 8-figure thing. I mean, she's good to good and waiting with that tray or that before. Some of us we have this kind of thing. Yeah, wouldn't say your difference between ogeni. 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 You see your difference. Ogeni. You get it. But means she has everything, including adrenal. What I say? Yeah, I mean, what's my kind of many adrenal? Yeah, many adrenal. Yeniko.
Na question some cost pa. I want say kumi preku ya ye bi da.
True.
Na ya sase amamo ni mu aye de bi kire mu se ya nanan mo se na 84 ni 88 kom ni ade no. Wo mo mra afi mu 2022 me se de wo mo experience ye ni krasra.
I say yeah, time of adulthood, things are very expensive.
Papa. Eti watch na kumi preku sa so hyehyɛ
Demonstration be.
Enya sem ketwa. Koso won kran.
Hana because we say yeah, they on fire ho sa no. Yeah, they hear say yeah, complain.
But obi be fi ha ko.
What be call no so from Accra to or down to Accra Matisa say small bus 60 cities. So you spend 60 cities and go and do demonstration and come back.
And na omo ka say aban no near watia ni demonstration. Asema watia no.
Ba watia.
Oye.
Watia say and come be busa.
Obi be ko. Obi be ko batu ko so anu ahwe hu ye. Na anu de amukọ ye na tie gas biba bibe mo obi pra ye nani. Ni opra ye ni nani om ka ho asema akumienu ya nka bie mo atifio. Ye ma ni wiase sika nyina akra nani asai. Ontimi fa nani ni nya hwibem tu kwa na wa ye niye. Na ni amede na menne no Shatawale pa Shatawale. Wa kan sem papa na wa mama to bibia se enipa unhu obi a hwere na emu na tensa na so mesi what say ana we what say ebia na ne awususu no entisa ensem bia Shatawale di atodwa no ye wa nwumtufo bi wo ho a sabio ye buom esen Shatawale sansem ne krampo no wo nya den wo nka ne edika ya Shatawale ka ye nie wase wa man ga na ewom no wo mu bi wo so man ni mu ayeden ya to aba ma MPP ye hu wo mo bobre ya to ama NDC wo mo se hu wo mo bobre 2024 ye kwa akoto aba enti se wa hu sa nipa mienu nyina bobre na obesa so koso lai tin sa wo kwa akoto aba ebiem susu di agina wanksa wo kwa akoto aba wo bra wo nwe hu de wa dua ne sa amanyusem ana efi aye wo me baaye efie ho no amanyu wefu ankwa na wo enti wo ya me den utwa me tikura wo mo ana mepe eya din yo ya mre wo mo ana mepe wansesa na adwen na enra wakasa no se sabi obakwasea sabi ana wansesa na adwen enti Shatawale nsema odi tu dwan no na wa manaso a owieye no ana wasa so atoaso na wache se enkofo sole ana no Shatawale ne ho asem wo mu de egu apunso sa na ne wo mu ka no obisa se enti se nei Shatawale onu siwei na bia nyankopon aba na woto so onu Shatawale a obeka wa asem sen
na me just shata
ai osin ka Yakobon beba na ne waye dreadlocks yi waye bi na tade ene wa tatu ne hu nyina uhu na de na obeka na osaso Shatawale a de na obeka enti ye hwe ye hu ye na kwasi ade ba ko ekoso ene na momonten so it's about Davido ne baya sese ayentimi Ahenkan sisu poppy SSO woni wa na so because the other videos so trend akola no hospital on ne mame di agro bi mu say fake account ni ade ba hwa account so a na me bisa say ye wo fake account bi a ye verified wo wa na
sure
so
yeah
me who be that
e be wo
because account
you know maybe account are very active. I mean send Oshase create account very earlier. I mean obetmenya verification tag you know
with the video
but now a different person behind the account, so this thing happen
the video better so
yeah kai say verification CCR no yato you get it. I mean no be one people do behind the scenes, so a bit might happen.
And na abusia videos been in na mountain so bi che say fake ne ba no wo hospital a che so no krate ne chen a oni ni di agro ne ade nti no and some ne dey doors wo ho but
see one thing is that issue ni buy you know it happened on Tuesday, right? And a Monday I went on his page because Davido page now ade wa post it had nothing to do with Nebano. And I realized a post before the last post was Nebano's birthday.
Yes.
And up to now, on post and then there's a video about outer Chase Akolano sending out Ogari a kind of fast woo, you know. I mean, a kind of fast woo, you know. I say, I didn't see Punimu. Sending a bear, made him me BB, and I refuse by, and then he got drowned. So I'll share video now. sanity. But people are also saying, said this is not the original video. In fact, this is not the video. This is not the video fear Hokra. So until say both of them will come out and speak, This is an intimate say I am Pastor Akolano, he's dead. Because me so my kind baby the video and the wife, they were having a chat on WhatsApp. Obusan say, is he up now? And the wife replied, say, doctor says, I mean, sorry, in a jiffy and all. So this year, we should all wait for confirmations from Ononi Obano. But the amount some nice scary say celebs, important people are now, jamming into the jargon. It's another more can say because for Sakwa there to, write about it from how to be from, P Square, big art in Nigeria, all talking about it. And that is it.
Constant say be so kasa a trend na the video sounds like
and your trend on to me fan the bar in
no so baby at the video edry na trend release a new be an album be na or the way trend there.
It
doesn't make sense. It abusia the video ho sensem no adosu bebre se se an yentimi fa yen sense su poppy se ne ba no wo ho anaso woni wonti no the video there menka so obi but na dofo doso ana about time so doso nti we about time kra na oti asem we na wonnim the video kra na wo yembe show nti wo ho a wo so mpai bo kakra wo bebo sesa akola nti ase na bi o ya sabia nyankopon emwa na ne ye pese ntene sa akola na sa sorry because nyinsan ni munsem no doso papa pentecost me di best na
Opi atwaso
opokuware atwa
minya apo me say
you na so
am ya dum aden wa call I phobia ba na say I say I frata de we atade o mo shawale ada oba wale
atane na shem ne
ya shawale wo get kreja wo wa ko say frata de
ana also there na show sana
that
may count so
that's a ring. I be me. I'm a married man, so
you that be yenten you say then.
I'm a married man.
Verified.
But everyone knows I'm a married man.
It wouldn't now kwa chimpana.
Yes, boss.
Verified.
Yes, boss.
So swaware.
Yes, boss.
It is a wajatum.
Yes, boss.
Na mo mana.
O push me.
Mo mana. Se my manu hu antwe na kwa na kwesti be pa na mo prinso a mo. Odi mo kofia wa wale. Ne yiri na asi.
Enti sa wo your boss so.
Opi.
Yeah.
Yes, boss.
Me yare.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Ne yare.
Yes, boss. Ni coffee.
Sports bay. So ti bangalo.
Yes, boss.
So ti bangalo kwano so.
Yes, boss.
So first na ti bangalo.
Yes, boss.
Enkofo bi wi anwa ton wo kwano ntena mi busa no. Omu wi anwa ton. E wo down sports stadium.
Sa.
Enkofo bi wi anwa ton.
I was stadium inside.
Na sofo na wo de wo tanwa no, sofo wo preach. O tokro no de. Asofo for mu wi ani yo.
So obi de zama.
Omu wi anwa ton down sports stadium. Enkofo bi na etetom no mu wi aton. Na o chena Joshua Kablaje nim trase ya e bewuram.
Mate.
Enkofo no mu wi anwa wo down sports stadium e ton no. Wo sofo na wo lead na wo tokro no de anwa no. We di nyai. O chena ye betrase be bo udi. To sofo na eto.
Obi si form yango.
Yanko ne fa gudie mu sam no. Yan fam na we yan chesa se ne the champion Kabna Costi. Abrantie we oso aware. Enye se ma mu wiase ne ono obi ani twaka biom. Ade pamfo afi mu amuton wele, mu amuton katebo we gale, mu amuton gale mbis afi wachefo no. Mu ne Kabna Costi eye bibia masa mu nko so ahimem. Ezan se ne wadi clan ho so ono ne asini nete. Na asini no okosku.
Mama bobi. Me wale. Me ba cho me wale.
Abi don wale. Okay, ma nya response na me go. Abi za for watch your sign. Na kan me ba be cancel. Ma me kwa me fa gudie mu sam no. Me fam na Joshua Kabrajanim. One the champion Kofi Ajiri. Omo ne ambo machi dom as a producers na as a Ray any Mauli and the tron sam no. We di gun krata so say me fam ra Remen Babbling Salum as you are saying. Makase wiase o ya brantie o ya babawa na presa utwa uti na ho so timi ye fa. E Remen Babbling Salum yen ene betwa uti ma ho ayefe. Remen Babbling Salum de o back mo dan ye Roman Junction of Asintim House o afia kama boabo Bompire Junction.
uduru ha ubehuyan yen fer remen our 0552 71 67 77 offer remen Babylon Saloma yabajo so na fe bibia letimi aye kama anopa no kofi be break him out sa branch fer Jara PK also retire at the football nyame admo china Barcelona any Maria Nebo na branch fer Jara PK a branch and wa baby papa wa baby na is ball 768 games and osia kan edema FC Barca 61 goals and a branch ya ye fano na is Jara PK a boy yeah na branch no nyame admo china wa the football e di ba awie ye we ana Arsenal coach Mikel Arteta ye ko bisa say Mikel Arteta what is a branch fer Jara PK a retire at the football ye take come Abrate Fano, Mikel Arteta, Arsenal coach, editor him.
I just find out, so thank you for giving me the news. I will remember that you gave me the news.
Thank you, an exclusive sort of. He's playing his last game at the weekend.
The weekend?
The weekend, yeah.
Wow. I don't know what to say. Just incredible career, incredible character. I think he gave so much to this game, and if he's made that decision, I'm sure that he has thought a lot about it. So he will be missed because I think he was a top world-class player.
Eti papa efa Mikel Arteta Arsenal coach also oni hwia oka Branton Massa e ba no ball na woni bo papa eti Jara PK papa efa Mikel Arteta so we hye ne wo we eyensema efu obedi mu sem no ye dia ba na Europa League no unu se nyame adma Monday na draw no eba so na Manchester United a qualify na no na papa efa no na is Paul Scholes e kasa o se kebe ya ka Manchester United enko hia FC Barcelona ye ko tiesema Paul Scholes editu ye ja.
Look, I think Barca. Look, I loved him to drive. I've said it a few times. I'd love to play against Barca. It just gets the juices flowing, gets the atmosphere going at either ground. I think they're capable of beating them, but Barca on the other end are a really good team.
I hope they avoid Barca. Get Barca in the final. Don't want to play Barca because that could be a really hard game. But they're all really good sides, good footballing sides with good managers. Juventus, Sevilla, Shakhtar. I'll be honest. There's no easy ones. Sporting were great in Tottenham's group, so no easy ones. Made it a little bit more difficult than it needed to be. But in the end, I think they're favourite, regardless who they play outside of Barca.
Eti papa fan Paul Scholes also on the Drada or Resa Barcelona ebeshia tima ye fan Manchester United ewa Europa League no eno se Felix Efru obedi musam no ye dia ba enche Didier Deschamps France national team coach or the squad or the bakopie mu ewa mundia FIFA World Cup ba bonten na Olivier Giroud esi akadema AC Milan also on the kwan bia so obekoko den se ne papa fan Didier Deschamps ebenya gidie woni mu no aton sade for Olivier Giroud a ya ka musam no edi akiro me no ka said the all ladies of Italians here Juventus Abrante fan David Odiozola esia kanema Real Madrid bobo kono papa fan Massimiliano Allegri so nya Abrante na obakofo na ba na fe Abrante fan David Odiozola no abesia kan edema Juventus a eno se Felix Efru oba yade musam no yade ama enso ewo hono na Abrante ya fan Sergio Ramos defense minister edema Paris Saint-Germain o se Abrante fan Jara PK or we shine world na Abrante no football no oba be Champions League na wagigb afi owuramo the Spanish La Liga na bebre Copa del Rey wagigb eti Abrante fan Jara PK so or retire or no Abrante fan Sergio Ramos there also or we shine world eno se Felix Efru oba ede musam no yade ama yemre fie ni fie sam komo mami sha se free nyame ademo chena big game no baso ewo Cape Coast Sports Stadium Achimodan Base Club Kotoku Royals Tonsa the Fedophobia the Continental Club Masters asiedu ketekana no me no kase anopa no na house folk team no ebu maketem edi free kan touch it down Cape Coast and na house folk players no shake ups kakra ewo Robert Mensah Sports Stadium na house folk kono papa fan Mr Matic coach edema house folk what the 20-man squad koye na koye house folk na is shake up na papa nyame ademo 3 p.m. and a big game no baso ura more popular stand any center liar omoji 10 Ghana cedis afei Vivian Pino omoji 30 Ghana cedis na papa fan Matic no walk on say koye Arico Forenchi afei Richmond Aye Samuel Income Fatau Mohammed Dennis Nkrumah Kosa Rashid Okan Zakaria Yakubu afei Kredu Yadom Eric Eso Abrante Fano na say Abrante Fano Kalaba Mankwa Robert Adusowa Sedu Scratch Gideon Asante Glasson Awako Abrante Fano Amankwa Befi koye Ibrahim Salifu koye Benjamin York Isaac Mensah Efie Banye Weni squad ameno kase ama touch down Cape Costa me bano na shake ups no koso na Achimodan Base Club Kotoku Asenso me uramu Cape Coast na Sports Stadium almost 3 p.m. no na coach papa your friend set abroad and then kola no su kopie ma wo so shake up no na so koso kohia Abrante fan Kingsley Fie mo afi Fauzi Ali mo na ba mo to bono na we pass na we na just so efe etinyame admo cha p.m. na just 3 p.m. no Bet Power Ghana Premier League no baso Cape Coast Space dema nyame admo cha Ahenkan 93.3 FM ye the fantastic live commentary ye the beba ama ye tie for so etimi afili kakra ye ngura mu Our the Blasters of Ghana, near Nikomo, Nanko for Kikase Blaster Squad no Emma Bontain, Yamia mo Chayatiasa, ya the 55-man squad no, ya the Beba, one say 55-man squad no, Etimia Likaba Bontain, na ya Cheki no, local players miensa any womb, our branch for Dennis in Chroma Kosa, Osia Kanema House Foko womb, our Fe Dalad Ibrahim, Hesia Kanema Kumasia Santi Kotoko, Onusu Etem, and a free Bania a womb, way Eka, na say 52 players, it took up my 55, and I'm not casting the coach to Ato, Edia Koma Papa for Johnny Fantino FIFA say we Blasters provisional squad no nyame ademo on the 14th November Ghana ye be select 26-man squad de be wuram e wo FIFA World Cup mundial ni akwese betimi akoyi ediamanya eno se Felix Edimusem no ye de aba na sports minister ewuram o parliament now call parliament na mpanifo ko busa no and sports minister honorable Mustafa Yusuf Adekoto parliament say Blasters no only 21 technical team members and eko into the akoto the parliament say way any 21 now is a technical team members are only room yet say sports minister Edituja.
Through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the government supports the FA. The Blaster incorporates 4 practical areas as follows: the technical preparation, the team preparation, team reinforcement, and managerial preparation. Since his appointment after Ghana regrettable group exit at the African Cup of Nations tournament in January 2002, Coach Otuado has been leading a strong constituted technical team. The Blaster technical team is largely constituted by Ghanaians with continuous local and international football experience at the highest level. The composition of the highly qualified, skilled and experienced and competent technical team is led by the head coach, Coach Utuad, and includes Chris Hutton, technical advisor, George Boateng, Didi Dramani, assistant coach, and George Boateng is also assistant coach, and the goalkeeper trainer, our former goalkeeper, Richard Kingston. Mr. Speaker, I must also report that 4 local coaches will also be given opportunity as additional support staff and to use their platform to gain experience, confidence, and exposure. This is part of the broad strategy of the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the Ghana Football Association to develop local coaches' capacity.
Eti papa ye fan Mustafa Yusuf na ye say wura mu parliament and the akoto parliament anim say the Ghana ye technical team a ekono eye nipa 21 enti coach Otto Addo oni Chris Wooten Masadi Dramani ni George Boateng and na LED afa oba Ghana ha the 4 local coaches enso eko akoka ho abrantia ye fan Prosper na te ogum ekobi afa Kofi Adamfo no Ignos Osefosu enso bekobi afa Samuel Brodu enso eko enti we ukikabona say Ghana afa local players and I say local coaches no ebiti ayeye omokwaka Blasters na is a technical team no no makofesi Ghana say nyama betimi akoye no say Felesa efi obedi musam no ye de aba na the Blasters of Ghana abrante fan Kamara di Sulemana and no Star Reniers eboye na abrante akopra de metete say abrante de enye wake up robekobi abrante no watrefia be na watwumi no abrante fan Kamara di Sulemana otimi sia kan enfema Strasbourg anase enfema team fan Star Reniers and no say Felesa efi obedi musam no ye de ama na no Kofi Anopei Kofi ni Joshua Kabreje nim etras no say the Blasters of Ghana say GF for no any MTN for no enso etima sign a partnership deal 2 years $2 million and omudi be shem na no pano le Felix eba say the MTN for no ajatom na no any MTN for mu siwo papa e fan Mr. Salam edi command say Mr. Salam ya te say money F for no sign a partnership too just say 2 years ayampa yente say Mr. Salam MTN CEO edi tuja.
Black Stars, our national team, will be there, and we're all looking forward to seeing them play the hearts out in this tournament. The whole nation is rallying behind our gallant stars to make history of the World Cup. The passion for the game of football and sports in general is very infectious, as most of you would admit, and we're waiting expectantly to watch the games. As a business committed to connecting families, friends, and businesses through cutting-edge digital solutions, we view football as another way and avenue to connect people. Football reflects what we at MTN describe as stronger together.
Eti papa e fan Mr. Salam or ye MTN for CEO e Ghana ha and this answer to just say the BBS let me confirm Ghana yeah I say MTN ye ni na say omni GF any Blasters no so let me sign partnership deal yenko sports minister na fe kwabena menya na menko dia na sports minister papa e fan Mustafa Yusuf e busa say papa e yampa say sia no na say sports ministry no money MTN for let me sign partnership deal and so yentie say Mustafa Yusuf edi tuja.
Excited to be here today as we celebrate another remarkable initiative between the Ghana Football Association and telecom giant the MTN. Our gathering here today is to announce a grand support by MTN for our Black Stars. MTN has been a long-time partner and supporter of Ghana sports, and this latest initiative to support the Black Stars further demonstrate their commitment to Ghana sports. MTN contribution to sports development is well documented. As we all know, this is not their first association with the Blaster or the FA. From the days of Ariba, which became MTN, the brand has on a number of occasions supported our Blasters on its journey to become one of the biggest national teams in the world. As the Blaster intensify their preparation towards the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, the timing of this latest partnership with MTN would not have come at a better time. This support is timely and it will significantly boost the Blaster preparation towards achieving our target of going all the way to Qatar. As I have often said, there is direct correlation between corporate sponsorship and performance in sports, and in this case, our Blast.
Eti papa fan Mustafa Yusuf owie na obo na na do danko akufado abaso say ansa na MTN for be bano na na do danko akufado ele timi confuse MTN for no e ma mo be sign sa diwe yentie sema sports minister e kafa ho.
Ladies and gentlemen, we could not have achieved this great support without the personal intervention of His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And I want to use this opportunity to express the gratitude of the entire country to His Excellency the President of the Republic for his.
Eti papa fan Mustafa Yusuf ni sama odi tu dwano no na keto kreku ne kobusan se ticket afie betime nya 26 players am betimi agina oman nanim akofesi e wo FIFA World Cup na ket se Masa Ghana ye wo 26 man squad o maye gwadi so mbe kokoden e de ma oman kronkron Ghana ket okreku
by 26 warriors. Ghana will be represented by 26 warriors. Warriors who go out of the pitch or out on the pitch to play for our red, yellow, and green colors. 26 warriors who are ready to also write their names in the history books. 26 warriors are ready to do more than their predecessors have done.
Etiketo kreku Joshua Kwabraje ni mo ejemu amosole amsi Ghana ye ni players e betimi akono keto kreku se ye o ka kire mo se wo 26 man squad on betimi agina man anim akofesi e wo FIFA World Cup achi Portugal, Uruguay, South Korea mo etimi ahye mo we ye fearless latest e free over ni musem no ye dia ba sabre die la ye se o man konkron Ghana se se dia kwana so etimi atwe asan say wow
ba obi say 26 man squad and why ready so and it says 56 it was a 55 listeners say the necessary
say time make say Ghana for na kasi you serious we say you 26 players wa I didn't
now for 55 say sabi nyansa ni
yes ikana kasi enu de ye we ye kwadi di keke we say 55 na do mu ni abekọ you France na ewia do mu kọ Abu Dhabi
iti ye wi ani asone
so na emu amamaka no abefie we ko sika keke
na ti asem na ono o ka say ye 26 months ko am I ready it is 26 omo wa hefa
omo minimum omo se bia omo wa se bi ka fa chense mampom bia minim
omo ka 55 na ba no
I minim se bia omo 55 ma lazo omo fa bia ko fo ma
omo ka ho amu yi omo na omo maka nko be
ka keke kwa bela
zika na Ghana de
so ana ufri me ye togoni o me ye togoni
me da haya na me free
me ye togoni
haya na me free na obi sabi mbusa o say a day wo spend the same na say yama 200 cities I wait me din sen
ade
yama 200 cities I wait me din how many days
me kamera me mo me de ade anopa me tokoko 150 pesos
na nem re 150 pesos
kamera me kwa me ka cha ma me say masa me de kuta me ano me ya chesu na makoto ana me eturo bu se man tokoko a me koto gale 1 cedi na ma to sugar 50 pesos na ma to nkate 1 cedi na ma kwa shade na ma kwa pepe water 1 na ma ho na de ma
na 5 cedi
da bi 2 cedi 50 pesos che na wi aso ma koto bro 2 cedi na ma to nkate 50 pesos na anwumere ya mi fie ra baby obi anyankopon hira no aya osokete me kakra
okay it is say yama 200 cities I wait me in how many days
medino 5 10 50 5 10 50 5 10 50 medino 1 month
200 cities wow and the question you be busa no say yama 200 cities answer kuta 200 cities u bet me in how many days
oh me mom dey 200 cities only me medino 1 month
1 month
me dey dey bia me di 5 cities into me di 5 cities na 5 times 10 30 days no 1.5 na me dey mu emu 20s e be a credit and e be a pure water be anyway we
until with the 200 cedis 1 month mount.
1 month.
Okay, it be batch of our message for 0594841044 200 cedis we be didn't say yanko break yamrasisi. Okay.
Ohima mianka mbojuma e wompem na asema yame wompem pa o.
Menua kawakoma ato yam amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina. Wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre e wompem bema wontomenwo. Wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka. Wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete e de amawo.
Se sei krampo na mefe dware ba na so me ho keka me de se zongola chichi e na achimi o.
Dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo webubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayemre woda ne weni e de kire amaje herbal clinic a wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom e de ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru wobehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di nhwani mu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soi eso 0244 877 840 anase 0205 045 655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa.
Kwekwe brabehwe ene party amekọ no abrochen so ne de serve me o de hwe ne bottle ni kura me. Uja we unnatural mineral water na wote nka unnatural mineral water Ghana ha ya na ye no na odan say so pamu depo na e wo Ghana commercial bank car park won mo a ene di hwe ne mu pe e wa gonsa foforo no eno nti so pan dodo Saudi ye wo de wedding abedin tour party say wo num ofie anadwuma die bia me patch free 0249 680213 and 0500 231091 enso na den and packaging so FSA unnatural mineral water natural FDA ajatum say eye. Aha, Nika, wakano ho. Hey, ofo wasi, enanso be badasem.
Kwa kumisi me mudi ya mi.
Bisa, atuadi. Bisa ntimenya kwa ine. Hey, bra. Nyabutre. Yenko bisa nyame herbal clinic. Eya yarisa bia sronko a. Ho. Omu afidi a okwa wonsai na de atoso. Ebe kire yade woni padua mu na. Na owie wasan kire wanu aduru. Bisa nyame herbal clinic. Umuni kokwa ama okwa minim kwa sade. Na de manyaw. Wa wi kontomlem no. Yenko say yes stroke, diabetes, koko. Enam yade bia. Say gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV. Eno kra de otenete ebe ye ho. Bisa nyame herbal clinic. Obemu waduru atu asese ta. Na mo a atwe omo so no. Owaduru ebe yini napie. Yade ontumi sa kwata. Ena chacha asa. Diake na soabra. Bisa nyame herbal clinic. Oh how to betwa. Na de kra ne se oba ono ma card, folder. Ena se obehu dokota. Ni na ye kwa. Yenje ohwe. Enfidie do be fam ni na so untua bibia. Genya so kuta 50 Ghana ana 1 million 100 cedis. Ni amount do say tam. Me patro hwemati kwan e wa chemo dan. Quarters. Usi ya bisa kwadampo. Ye be cho ba bisa nyame herbal clinic wo. Ana fre dokota pani e wo 0544 127 709. Ana se 0246 824 135. Bisa nyame herbal clinic. Bisa nyame na obejo so. Basin abro ma nanonda. Say ya.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei
classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni enwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera papaya petroleum jelly cassia alata honam na ni baabia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no enu anu se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no wode classic ointment no bi ebesremu na behu se yes ointment papa bi o baabi
me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wohene na herbal koforidua frisia baako and sons kumasi edu repash herbal okaishia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 ana 0500 799 833
FDA agye edwedie nkrato yato
Say ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
Adron de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse nti na be kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti yanum wo wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba atam mo manufo ene nkwada woni mfie dum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Empenifuo se nea wai bi pen ene efe na ye biafo Ahenkan roofing system a osi odan main station abronsan no ye bora baso na ne ndwuma so dadi na enam se samanpa ene eto na bedinti Asatek Company Limited e de wonom ntoma abebo Ahenkan roofing system so enti nei wo ba be si dan ana wo bebo wo dan so a eye Asatek Company Limited e dan ni se wo be hyase si no wo be hia cement anase blocks ana iron rods any roofing nails and chance be na open say self lock standing seam shingles MSL IBL step tiles IDT galvanized roofing sheet aluminium roofing sheet alozic roofing sheet rain gutters say 14 feet length and 20 feet length open ridge caps say 14 feet length and 20 feet length valley gutters ninina yen and yadima Ekadensia wuniama any dinosaur body a Asatek Company Limited on the Ahenkan roofing systems akabom wo pesa wo sit dan ana wo ba wo dan so a yema free technical consultation wo sika ne nsompo a wo tumi tua ne kakra Ahenkan roofing systems a on the Asatek Company Limited akabom no juma mapa na wonom wo masu ne mienu e wa akemda sa wo pe blocks any iron rod ne bi ato a wo be hu mo e wo aboabo kwantempo ne so Intiama Hotel Junction wonom a na face sa wo pe roofing nails any roofing sheets ni be aton so dia wo be hu mo e wa akemda edwa na chire wonom a wo ne Kia station no e bo hwe ni mo eno ne se wo be frɛ yen 0245 979311 Ahenkan roofing systems Asatek Company Limited Tuma abebone diano die adansifo nyina se ye house we cha
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Drodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa shooing in no, a boy a home buying every home. And no woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num imbusaba mesanoa, and more who are deep pinty. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Eshomo. Imbusaba mesa, a walk kanshi, and you are may move bia your toe in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbus haba mesa, police in no edrono and cratway FDA asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia e hrampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada nyoma ne ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na dia ba de na ahohura poto bi di isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake repellent na me de atu o masesa no
enu o mo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wohoro ncha se mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA ban womunioma no ubenye biato wokuma setakura de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemushe se wo peni do so pomatua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
eye JA Binding and Call Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun, ane wayi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo, enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di won dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada anofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi.
Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa.
Se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA ahwe adwadie nkrato yi mu age atomo se eye.
Drive. Oh yeah! Come on!
Just deal with it.
Joe, Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting up in a costume, I was Ahenkan FM 93.3. Easy.
Making me second, making me colo, colo. I go die you, second. I go die you. Oh baby dance, baby seki, oh baby seki, oh baby dance, baby seki. Come on, my baby seki your waist, my darling seki your waist, my darling seki your waist, seki your waist, my baby seki your waist, my darling seki your waist, my baby seki.
you go just stand there, never guy. Oh, one logo line. I want can fight, why? No, small beats we just play, where you just decrease, that's nice. Oh, say I'm there, son, I'm okay. I did there, move for you, catch it. Bob said, Julie, please say, where would it you, East Lagos? Enjoyment, me share song. West flavor, East and dog. You come out the girls from East. That one will make the sauce complete. If you're not me, I'll eat. When I choke your thighs, you can feel up your teeth.
Let me hear him cry, let me do I want to feel in my fire. Babu, 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 babu. He wore Yajila, Kuni Madonna lashing a G back, it's oil. Amanda back on the Shaba Wunu, Eco Fabu, in Walla, she born, Katafaji and Filan to America,
Right, so 93.3 FM Fox, we're still here live on the radio. And I told you, see you over Komoko. So how is the atmosphere out there? I heard it was raining. Atiana, and I still a gym. And you make a bonfire, Yabre. Send a normal quality here empire. Here empire. Pastor Samuel Amanka, no pay. Hey, I didn't miss out of pay. And you made me jail. Pastor Samuel Amanka. On our way, Sofu Penny with Christ Arena Outreach Ministry. And you made me jail. The patron want to say, be a boko. And then you made all night in a bazo. And they are well, you have a bonfire. And they are prophetic fire conference. Oh, sorry, they are watching more than Old Town Public Park. They are born by the Bobby Agent. And then there was here Jesse. It was so for Michio, Samala Manqua Pasta. I know a numerate Michio. Also for what was that? We know. Entity Crania. I don't want some money. Okay, but I want to hear from you, patch of 200 cities and Titisika 2 million. The patch of the mouth was to say, Uber did the same, Uber did nothing. How many days now? Bet me spending 200 cities. Obrimpon poku aresa ono bosome back 1 month. And obeti me did 200 cities. Shabo who bet me 200 cities saying? What's right? DJ that's the 200 cities nobody in 3 minutes. Nothing. Obedi 200 cities 3 minutes, but I want to hear from you. Me pesa me te one so the other, pesa me te the other. I want to hear from you. 200 cities. Me patrol how many days and I will bet me spending 200 cities. And I would need minutes. Would need hours. In fact, you can't spend 200 cities in a second. So don't tell me 2 seconds. Okay, over to me a friend. Me pesa me te one can. 0554820910. 0554820910. Me patrol body and no me hum baby our casa free. Now me hum days I wait me spending 200 cities. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, Ujina, good evening. Cobra B. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me patrol first and I was saying. Hey, daddy.
Papa.
You didn't come out 200 cities. Wait me and Dini saying. Onkwa. And you know, how many days now? Wait, must spend 200 cities. And it's not just that we did 2 minutes. Never counts and I watch heavy. What you say? 0554820910. Hello, good evening. Your first workers are free. Yes, boss. Your first workers are free. And catch you 200 cities. What did you say?
na me mo ye zo. Me son pan dia me 2 days anyway.
On kwa 2 days on.
Na me to fu ese.
Matse vedase. Me patro won kwa obi nka ho. Won kwa 200 cedis. How many days and I wait to 200 cedis 0554820910 0554820910. Hello, good evening, your first Okasa free. Hey, Stagger one. Stagger 200 cedis. What did how many days?
Management in
Oh, another son new poku yapon. Vadze. And one the brother was it body yes, your body. Your first Okasa free.
Hello.
Yes, dear, your first Okasa free.
Me the man me face
Amacrom. Eh, Amacrom for you be want to say.
Obia hoye.
I chana na mama why? And a blessing in you and Obia Obia. Madze. 200 cities what's me saying? 4 days long. It is 50-54. Yeah. Why be Right, so 0554820910020194 number we come dream. Your first Okasa free. Yes, boss. Oh, sorry. Yes, boss. Hey. Me patro ewo. Me paki me pasa me shock you obi a ogrom ha.
Okay, what's your problem?
Me koya swapping. Madam Letitia ho fell what to say. Letitia Papa B. Letitia on side. Right, 0554820910 and 0201944485. Your first and Okasa free.
Hello.
Yes, boss. Your first Okasa free.
If I don't go there, because if I say one day,
man, coho 1 day. 200 cities. Uber didn't have many days.
Oh, sister, na. Go pay and na. Be free. Oh. Minimum number. I can make us on me. But I'm here na me papa.
Also 4 days.
50 na.
It's not account of 4 days. What is here? One day, what to do? 0201944485. Hey, Vodafone number and time come to my money. 0201944485. Hey, Vodafone. Hello, good evening. Your first name Okasa free. Yes, boss. Okay. What to do, Mammy? Okay. I think so. Gusu office here. It's open time before 6 hours. Mate, don't go there, Mate. Mate, don't go there. Uncle Hokra, Mate. Mokan charge and buy or an office. I think he left with the Rabina. Meaning so I'm back there. Meaning 0554820910 200 cities. Over didn't how many days? 200 cities. Yes, you got 2 million. 2 million. Yeah, the mama me patch over didn't have many days. Fabrana making kind soon from our 0594841044 0594841044. There's a message here. Make sure this one says I was it from Kwasi Nantechi Achim Asane. See, as for me, I will spend 200 cities, just 2 days. Greetings to you all, and I have a nice night. Okay. Because none touches on the. I just say, baby, I'll become 100 in the area. If I chose to meet me at 0554820910, you're first and Okasa free.
Hello.
Yes, boss.
One day.
1 day. Right, one day with you, 200 cities.
200 Ghana. Oh, now this is here, my dear, you crowd.
And not just 2 seconds now, show my call.
Oh, you're the Muscadi.
Matthias, and yes, it can be any sit down, boy.
Oh, now where is covered? I say it's come up on mobile.
But I say, your first work as a free. Maybe I told my mammy, I beg your pardon, Mama. Mefia, 2 weeks. Maybe I say, your first work as a free. Your first day? Mabel, what kind of free IRB? All right, 200 cities. Mabel, Pacha, will be in how many days? 3 weeks on. Oh, you're about manageable. Yeah, that's it. All right. Ain't in the mabano, ain't in the remember. Say, Uti will be kind of panel. If you're for Ampa, it's not Miss Mabel. Okay, Sanya, we ban upon this one says, I will chop arm for just 1 month. I'm Gina from Akwaaba, Peace Town, right? This one says, my name is Dennis from Akwaaba. As for me, dear, I will spend it just once, cause 200 cities is not money to me. Okay, your first talk as a free.
If I'm a devil.
There go. Devil. All right, devil. Bosu, Mitio, Mituchama, or Salusa. 200 cities wedding how many days?
Oh, you pray with it's a and so you can me.
This capa. Where is what I so this capa? Why be Zikadia Shawa Mama Indi and one no. Zikadia Mama Indi don't feel there. Oh, sorry, we lost you. This was as costly. I spent it 1 month, 2 weeks. Now adolescent or nobody 1 month, 2 weeks. Maybe I first as a frame. Sister, my patron 200 cities. Who didn't how many days?
I need 2 million.
My patron, I had it is 2 million. What's three? Yeah, who we are? Who didn't how many days? I say your first work as a free.
Your family need Casafu.
Now, woman, know you're fine. I am from you. What I say?
Also, me know you're fine. I didn't be friend of I'm on a happy birthday. Not can't
me know you're fine. Me know you're fine. Me know you're fine. What do you how many days? Can tell me you free? So can tell me more 3 seconds. Can tell me 26. What do you how many days? 1, 2, 3. What time are somebody you free? So but your first second is free. Hey, I said it for you. You are compet.
Champion.
That's it.
Now, stand out, Cano. I am inquired. I'm a new cruise.
Me pa cho cruise nkan.
Cruise nkan me ngwa.
Aye.
And me tia bon be a good for the Ghana e kwa me here. E ba me mo be 6 days.
6 days oh.
Good for the Ghana me 6 days.
Na se cruise kan we.
Because
scam pede de ampa. Se cruise kan we, cruise kan we. Mati, me da say. Na adole, me da say mi ciao pa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Oh.
Yes, boss. You're from Senaka friend. Omedem staga nya ba ko pe staga danfo. Pati bibia. U be di say.
200 cedi na ekutawa. O bo 200 cedi na na yesi ka kasi o. E kurawa e ketuwa bi.
100 mienu.
Aha, do I hear so 3 days. That's
3 days. Matias, omedem. Your first look as a free. Hello, who you know? Okay, this one says, my name is Afre from Abuabo. As for me, there, I will spend it just one day. Be somebody in 1 day pay. I be to say 1 month. Yeah. For us, okay, free. Right, cap price for you. What to say? Yeah, then you go point 200 cities. Who did how many months? Sorry, who did sing?
Maybe I never cried, baby.
And they are.
Me didn't know.
Mati. At find 200 cities. Who did say? On 2 days. I said 800 cities. Eh? And why are they open 200 cities 2 days? Ah, wow. I was here to find him breaking record. Nelson, Nelson 200 cities at 3 minutes. Besa. At the point of 2 days or more. Nelson quite 1,900 binu. Meka. Or quite 1,900 binu. In the 14 hours. 1,900 asa. Alright, you're for a few calls now. I'm proper J. 0554820910 200 cities. We're gonna make hot like that. So, how many days you feel spend 200 cities? Let me know. Call me on 0554820910 0201944485 200 cities. Madam Letitia, how many days? Part wait me 200 cities best 6 years so. So no pay the part on pay you and into 200 part bet me the best 6 years. Or say any day. Or say any day. Me patch your first work as a free. Your first say. Me patch your do radio in Indian come on. And that's a tune, yes. You see a first say. Kobe, oh, my name. Kobe, patch your as a free. Akameni. Chia kameni for you, mama. Chia charity fashion. Chia. Yeah, before 1 Yeah, you need. Yakupon do me where you are. The Bians who dreams I had asked. Send out for India running there. In fact, it is so. Yeah, you 200 cities. How many days now with you?
Yeah, and
3 days.
2 days.
Yeah, you mammy man crabby. Catch up with us. Me, member. Why? Okay. So me for chow in the but remember me nya time more than can I say me nya time more than for phone man me so ankasa. Oh, era mama me for chow mine so me the man no ade so mine so shall we miss what you Miss Roger. Oh, my baby, 7 years, man. And mamma, ye, but make corner. Yes, she said, I have to say, and no corner, and no corner, and no corner, and Davy. Andra, and the Japan now can go corner. I am Rechi, and Andra room, and I go down. Mendru, and I'm make a barrier, make a police station, or I'm calling your first work as a free. Yes, boss. Hey, daddy, met some catch a papa. Fetch me your call. Yakupon do me what the umpa, and I'm sure so. Daddy, 200 cities over to me, say. 8 days. Wow.
Opokupe no he no nyo so kakra fanka jempa ho. Some man try be just a jempa be in 2 days dia. Onyo so be ni kakala.
Me ma jo mati. Me ka sa. Opoku do so beti be 1 month na dio. Shabo beti be say. Oh me. 200 cities. 5 days pay. 5 days. On kwa 5 days pay. Ebeko. Wallahi. Wo de me Judy. Well, if you had the minimum squad, 200, my boss squad. If you am for 200 cities, Saturday na Ebesa. I try 200 cities, so bet me in about 2 months because I try. What did the one city grow? I mean, the food on you baby for you until I try. Woman 6 years, so bet me 200 cities. If you am for just one day, 200 cities Ebesa. Matopahen just one day Ebesa. Nelson 3 hours Ebesa. Nelson Ebesa. Opoku onangasa Canada. AJ there 5 days 6 days.
AJ bet my 10 days.
AJ bet my 10 days on. It's AJ 10 days. AJ new 2 days. AJ new.
What I you.
Or fast, or fast. Who's there? Until I say, who bet 10 days. Okay. Mr. Billy there, what's made him 8 years? Oh, Peggy, honey. Mr. Billy there, 4 citizens on the answer. What did you? Okoto the 2 hours. Okoto the 2 hours, ever son. Okoto dear 2 hours. Obedi. Freckers is waiting to spending 200 cities like 4 days. Freckers wait to me. Uncle for wait to me the deal. GM like this. GM 2 days 200 cities besan. And I made me say 16 years 200 cities. Me say me 16 years.
I find them assembly.
Asem no bisa me na. Me who say it is all catch up. It is not necessary. I found me home. Oh no, on your papa. Oh, me say I'm family home. Okay, my control. Okay, my control. You see, when we went to Enchi, a month ago, me boy. Didn't pay there. Naneda. You call Enchi no. That time na momo the background so. Tiye sifie. Many parts. Na nsu oboyen. Nti we ye ko gina ye no. E na o ma ya kunya tena so, e na ye tena se. So later when she came no, obe my wrong identity, obe introduce you as Obi Foforo. Until later na omo munya mo be join ye no. Ansa na obe tres the first name was a wrong name and bra 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 bra. Me who saw herself. So I thought she's your sister. Ti me busa na say unya shabo na o si Debbie e no can be Foforo. After later mom no who say me kasa no e na me tese o kan say come na cost ni nti afa e chire mom no e na o be dan hu adi na me say Debbie me pesa me pe
o pe ba ko na
me penny old entrona me pe Foforo do me pe obi a me like this very hard say me come be a me man ko fe hu say me cost very hard me nim baby like I'll tell people this is coming cost I don't sometimes me kasa na ko fe hu say this is but ono otwamentro entintro no otwamento enti
na da otie dia ne so wa so
and is just what you say
oh here nunca so what no
no enti kacha to pan say on fan answer
a pan say na o say
no on fan answer so what has some few kokra
I buy there
so no na you papa na me watch na if you been birthday
oh tie any this happening
now what change baby
you be you asane anamwa so
no SD
oh
SD into watch na there
any before so this happening and say we plan na be ko
watch na ho na me kodi me jollof no
o ka say o chan e ho na kodi jollof na means on kwa na be ko
no nya me kwa in fact yenya be ko
do the point na
otie she's aware I don't know if she's listening or something but yeah sure there me nim say otie there I can't tell but if she's not listening yeah this is what I think you should do that way nko baby me nim say be say brofo say right from the horse's old mouth me boy send the be okay they are all kind and na go suma no move na ebe no at the point what is it why are you going up and up are you okay at the point are you okay okay so try this for me
Just deal with it.
Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting, Akwaaba na Costi. Ahenkan FM 93.3. Easy.
Shinyankopon ya no more tonight if you have been birthday. And next week Wednesday. And see I miss my birthday. Next week Wednesday. Me pa jo me pe birthday Coco Sakura bia. There be. What the other me to say numero no en confirm send you gifts. Ana. Okay. Fine. Nice. San. Next week Wednesday, I am my birthday. Pacho me pe birthday Sakura bia mo surprise me maka mo bra bibi la me pe birthday Coco Sakura bia and the next week Wednesday I am my birthday not just me di 20 something Christmas we are 7 by and easy. Now so we did Christmas back 20 hours as is sanya de kutua. And I me did Christmas I blew 20. I say can oh. Me did Christmas at Japan. Me did bronya che. At the point we did 35 Christmas was our season. Hey, Mr. 35 mistake ban my nazal. Me boy why headmaster pen? Why my cocoa board pen? Why did you susu pen? What try to if you are not pen? I swear drive. Oh yeah! Come on! Just deal with it.
Kweku, W, move like say they don't shaku. Other you, it's a bit too. Move like say